Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Classification Algorithms. Identifying cats versus dogs with logistic regression. Imagine you want to build a program that automatically tells whether an image is a cat or a dog. That's a classification problem. We'll use a simple algorithm called logistic regression to do this. Think of it like teaching a computer to recognize differences between cats and dogs based on their features. Logistic regression is like a sophisticated yes-no predictor. Instead of giving a number, it gives a probability. Think of it as drawing a line on a graph to separate cats from dogs. If a new image falls on one side of the line, it's predicted as a cat. On the other, a dog. That line is actually a mathematical function that we train. We need lots of pictures of cats and dogs, our training data. Each image is labeled cat or dog. The computer learns from these labeled examples. Imagine showing a child many pictures of cats and dogs, they'll eventually learn the difference. We need to tell the computer what features to look for. These might be things like pointy ears, cat, floppy ears, dog, size, fur color, etc. These features are converted into numbers the computer can understand. It's like creating a detailed description of cats and dogs for the computer. We train the model by showing it our labeled images. The model initially makes mistakes, but it adjusts its line mathematical function each time. It's like the child learning from corrections. That's not a cat. That's a dog. Single quote. After training, we test the model with new images it hasn't seen before. It uses its learned line to predict whether each image is a cat or a dog. The more accurate its predictions, the better our model is. We measure the model's accuracy using metrics like accuracy and precision. This helps us understand how well it performs and identify areas for improvement. Think of it as grading the child on their cat-dog identification test. We'll use libraries like scikit-learn in Python to implement logistic regression. A small snippet of code will show how to train and test the model, without getting bogged down in complex details. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.